All right, so it's only been a couple days since I posted that last video when I was out riding around the Adirondacks and talking about how the sun was out and there was no snow. Yeah, not the case anymore, guys. We're getting a little bit of a blizzard right now. It's kind of unknown how much we're gonna get. It depends on how the wind picks the storm up, but we're looking at least probably 8 inches. So yeah, change of scenery here for you guys that wanted to see the snow at the cabin. Here you go. So I did end up getting 2 more panels yesterday, but obviously there's no point in putting them up today. Maybe over the next couple days I'll get them out here and get some more juice out to the cabin. It'll be pretty nice. Boy, it's snowing hard though. What a beautiful scenic day at the cabin. You know, you sometimes dread the winters. You got to deal with the cold. You got to do all the firewood. It's a pain in the neck driving on the roads, but there really is just nothing as beautiful as just fresh snow hitting pine trees and having the fire going and hearing it crackle and looking out the window and being toasty warm. And there really is no cozier feeling in the world. So it's a good day, guys. It's funny. I'll go out and I'll do a couple clips, run back in. Here I am, just standing by the wood stove. It's nice to be able to come back in and get warm and then go back out and get the shots, you know. So yeah, I don't have to tell you guys how tough I am. Round 2. Round 2. You're not scaring anything away looking like that. I just love that when all you hear is just the snow. All right, let's go take a little walk. See what these woods are looking like. Anybody else getting that walking through the wardrobe vibe? Oh, this is so peaceful. Oh, sweet home. Soaked. All right, so I got to get out of here for a few hours. I got some errands to run. By the time I get back, it's gonna be very dark, but I will show you guys what it looks like out here at the cabin, how much more snow we've gotten, and well, for you in a second, for me in a few hours. All right. Still snowing pretty hard out. So we have probably 7-8 inches so far. Guess we'll find out in the morning what we're gonna get for a total. But whew, it's chilly out. Nice and warm. Okay. All right, folks, that about wraps this video up. Thank you so much for coming with me today to the cabin and having a nice, beautiful, and relaxing day here. It means the world to me having you guys with me to share these experiences with and go on these little journeys with me. But yeah, it was just an amazing day, and I'm super excited. And I just feel like I'm about to go to bed in a couple minutes. I'm exhausted, but I just feel really good about it, you know. And I think I'll sleep pretty good tonight. Knowing it's snowing and it's cold out, and I'll be nice and warm and toasty in my bed. And yeah, anyways, here I go rambling again. I've been doing that a lot. But I hope you guys all have a wonderful and blessed day, probably when you're watching this, or night. But this is Off Grid Bo, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.